YouTube error 153 video player configuration error. So, error 153 typically appears when trying to play a YouTube video, especially embedded ones, and reads video player configuration error 153. It's most common in mobile apps, embedded videos on websites using the YouTube iframe IPI web views, and hybrid apps. So to fix this, what you can do first is to go ahead and clear your cache and cookies. So on your browser, click on the three dots to the top right, and then from here, go ahead and click on this delete browsing data. And then into the section, make sure to check the cache and cookies, and then set it into all time, and then click on delete data. Second thing you can do is to update your browser. So head over into the About Chrome tab, and then in here, as you can see, Google Chrome will automatically check if there are current updates on Google Chrome, and if there is, Google Chrome would update the browser. So make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome, Safari, or the YouTube app. And lastly, what you can do is to disable your extensions. So you'll be able to find the extensions on this puzzle icon. So in here, make sure to disable ad blockers or privacy extensions that can interfere with the video playback. Temporarily disable them and reload the page. And that is how you can basically fix YouTube error 153 video player configuration error.